welcome back to another vlog. Today, it's vlog 2, day 2 of vlogging, and I'm gonna go and have some breakfast now. Enjoy! Right, I have eaten my breakfast and now I'm going to go for a run, and I'm just going to record myself running around this field. Anyway, I'm going to do some lunges. I'm going to record these lunges too. I'm just going to put the camera over here. Okay, so I'm done with my lunges and now I'm going to do a bit of walking, because the reason I do all these lunges and all these warm-ups is because I need to warm up my muscles, because then I've got less chance of injuring myself, less chance of pulling a muscle. Just a quick running tip, because I'm a runner, if you just go out there and then run back to wherever you came from, that's a bad thing. You should do some lunges, or even stuff like this where you bend down and touch your toes. That's bad, because you're more likely chance of pulling a muscle. If you do stuff like lunges, or a bit of walking, or even a very light jog, then then you have less chance of injuring yourself, less chance of pulling a muscle, and better chances of becoming a faster runner. So I recommend you do all of this stuff. So anyway, I'm going to put the camera in my pocket and go for my run.
Pacers fighting, so too Median. It's the bell. Mo Farah hits the bell. 28:36 seconds into this 3,000 metres. We've seen a long sprint for Farah. Can he maintain it? He's got the might of East Africa behind him, plus Galen Rupp. Just behind, it's Farah who leads though, with less than a lap to go. Muchiri of Kenya. Beckley, the two Beckleys with Rupp. They're going away from the rest of the field. It's 200 metres to go now. Mo Farah for Great Britain. Can this be another British gold? 2 already today. Farah leads. The field is being spread eagled. Behind him it's Rico Beckley. Then it's Galen Rupp of the USA. Then Kenenisa Beckley. The other Kenyan looks lost. It's Mo Farah coming down the home straight with Beckley and Rupp. Can it be a 1-2 for the Salazar group? It looks like it. It's Mo Farah takes gold for Great Britain. Galen Rupp takes second. Then the
I'm really tired now. Oh, okay. I'm gonna walk home now. Oh, I can barely talk. Oh, right. It's getting quite smoky now. But at least I'm recovering. Okay, I'm gonna walk home now. I just stopped because my shoes were getting a bit wet. So, yeah, I'm all fine. I'm all good. Whew, home sweet home. We're gonna go for a walk later on. So yeah, see you there on the walk. Yes. Okay, so we're going down this walk track next to what looks like an abandoned ghost town.
Well, that was fucking dreadful.
Come out, Juju. Oh, there's a little playground which you can't go on. You can't go on the playground because it's a bit too wet.
It looks fine by me, but you know.
Yeah, it looks okay. There is a little creek. Well, it's not really a creek because it's got no running water in it.
It has, yeah, but it's been dammed up.
Oh, it has. I didn't notice. But okay. It doesn't look like a very good creek. It's not flowing.
Oh no, it's flowing down there because it obviously flows that way. So.
Well, I think because there's rocks there, that means it flows. No, it's called a vlog or a vlog, as old Markiplier called it.
Hello everybody, Markiplier here. I just wanted to do a quick vlog to answer— wait a minute. Something's changed!
Okay, you're going to vlog.
Vlog this, but just call it vlog, mate. Vlog just sounds cool but dumb at the same time. That sounds like something a robot vlog. Hello, I am going to do a quick vlog to answer some questions for the 15,000 subscriber milestone. But now it's like, hello everybody, Markiplier here, and thank you so much for 20 million subscribers. And I'm gonna make a quick vlog about this vlog and vlog. Oh! Cockroach.
That isn't a cockroach.
Then what is it? Oh god, that was... Watch this. Sorry, but that's done. That mailbox has done that thousands of times. You'd think it was gotten used to it by now.
That's what the sign says. Look at it. Dangerous, keep out. Leo.
Let's have a look at this. Oh my god, it says danger, keep out. What the hell? I'm so scared. What is there to be scared about? Seriously? Anyway, let's start the walk. Come on.
It's for donating money.
A wood piece for donating money. Interesting. Oh, it's metal. Okay, well, it looks like a log. I like logs in the woods.
Why are you videoing yourself, not the track?
That's what most vloggers do. They just do this.
I know, but why don't you video the track?
Fine, the track it is then.
The track's really pretty.
But I need to be in front so there's no, that ruins it! Oh no, that ruins it!
Okay then.
too slow of a pace. No!
Why can't I go?
Okay, Juju, now.
Next to check a whole lot more pussies.
Did you know that the tallest tree in the world is 116 meters? It's called the Redwood, California. Yes, Redwood, California. Buildings are a bit taller than most trees. It's about just over a third. Oh, here we have an interesting bit. It's just over a third of the Sky Tower.
History is beckoning. Chelimo comes to the outside. He's going to be the danger. Mo's gritting his teeth. He's looking around. He's got Chelimo beaten. Farah wins.
Okay, we found these trees that have little, like, drops on the end of them
look, if you collect
that
them up-
taste exactly like honey. So here we have the drop on focus camera. Like here.
Yeah, you have to be very patient.
It tastes very delicious. It tastes like honey. It's really good. I definitely recommend it if you're ever in New Zealand.
So, what exactly am I doing? Just videoing. Put these into those trees. And honeydew only comes on these black trees. On these trees like that, which are black. There's some ferns. It's not silver fern, but I did see some silver fern before. You can see all the little droplets. Fallen log. Is this a silver fern? Nope. Silver fern! That's a silver fern. It's native to New Zealand. Oh, is there any lancelets? They're my favourite tree. Oh, there's a pretty cool view from up here.
You're better at vlogging than I am.
You know, I'm better at everything than you are.
Like running.
Okay, for most things. Leo, can I give you back the camera? Leo, why is that time counting down instead of counting up?
Because that's how much it has left, plus a few hundred seconds. I'm waiting. I'm just waiting
What's happening?
for the sneeze.
Oh, the sneeze is happening. Why are you videoing me? Why don't you video
I'm waiting for the sneeze.
Oh.
I know, I'm waiting. You just had 3 sneezes in a row.
Bad luck.
Come on, it's got to happen eventually.
Brooklyn Valley.
Cool view. Dude, shot ahead.